Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ben. Today we're going to be going over and looking at the concrete that we're having done for our new 30 by 40 cabin build. Remember to keep up with these videos because there's going to be all kinds of videos on building this cabin all the way up until it's done. Now today I've got my DJI drone and we're going to be going up over the trees, heading over about 250 yards over to where the concrete is going down. I was going to do a little sneak up drone footage on our concrete guys, but I just met them coming down the road, so I'm not going to be getting them on video. When I went up there a little bit ago, they had that big old fan blade going, smoothing out the concrete, and I think they're done though, so they probably won't be back till tomorrow. Now, I haven't used my drone in about a year, so I've got to let it calibrate, but as soon as it gets done calibrating, we're going to take a fly up and view the property. We'll go over and we'll look at the concrete, and then we'll go up pretty high. We just got the west side of our fence done yesterday on the property, so we're going to go up high and see just how square I measured our property. So it should be pretty close. Let's hope so, because I don't want to have to rebuild the fence, and if it's not square, that's how it's going to stay. If anyone has a problem with it, they will have to get a survey done to have the fence moved. So let's hope it all works out well so that doesn't happen. Guys, let's get this drone up in the air and get some cool footage.